Ham 2024. Happy New Year. Ham.
Umakyat na si ate ko.
May tikoy, litsong kawali, salad, fruit salad. May money, pampaswerte, chocolate, ube, with prutas.
Wow, kind of fruits. I-mention yung tinapay.
Tinapay, masarap po ito.
Lambot ng tinapay nila eh.
Sarap, no?
Parang pang baby. Yung Japan na